Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Learn Math with Sayyid Ali. So today we have few questions from one of the student who is doing EQA. EQAO is Education Quality and Accountability Office in Ontario, and that is a course which is suggested for the kids like for 9th grade and 8th grade, where they pass they have a standard testing on English language reading and writing skills and mathematics skills. And in mathematics skills, very simple questions are asked, and that just checking on one's like thinking, observation, and solving the question accordingly, right? So it's like a communication between a student and the school board, and then they are if they pass it, they get some marks, right? So that depends upon school to school and school board system. So here for mathematics we have some of the questions. One of the question asked is 1 minus 4x square. 1 minus 4x square. So I will tell you, this is like we did it in grade 8 maybe, or before that. That is called difference of two square. The formula we learn is difference of two squares. So remember that if you have something like a square minus b square, so this is the difference, right, of two squares, and this can be opened up as one bracket a plus b and other bracket a minus b. What we learned before is just a revision, right? So we are saying that, okay, if you open this up, what you get? A times a minus b and b times how you multiply, right? So take one thing and then multiply with the other bracket, and then take second thing multiplied with the other bracket. A times a is a square, minus a times b is ab, plus a times b is again ab but with plus sign, and minus b square. So here in this opening up of the bracket, see that minus ab and plus ab get cancelled, and we are left with a square minus b square. So this is called difference of two square. So that means if you have something like, you can write this 1 minus 4x square as 1 square minus 2x whole square. So it's the same way, right? A something whole square minus other thing whole square. So you can write it as 1 minus 2x, 1 times plus, 1 time minus, right? So this is like a plus b and a minus b. So this is just for revision, that how we get that. But if you get anything like which you can perform as a difference of two squares, you can always remember that 1 time plus, 1 time minus, because a whole square minus b whole square is a plus b, a minus b, and we have the proof, right? When we open up or expand the bracket, we get that a square minus b square. So this one, 1 minus 4x square, can be written as 1 minus 2x whole square. Now it is difference of two square, right? So similar questions can come in this regards. So question number 2 is asked, which is x power 4 minus y power 4, right? So we can say that this can be written as x square power t square, right? X square to square is x power 4, right? So and minus y square and square. So we didn't change anything, we just break it up and to show that it is difference of two squares, right? So if it is difference of two squares, I can write 1 time plus, 1 time minus. So x square minus y square and x square plus y square. Hope you understand the same thing, which is like difference of two square. Here we use ab, here we have xy, but we have x square minus y square and x square plus y square. Now we can see that this cannot be breakable because it is having a plus sign in between, but this can be breakable because it is again difference of two square. If you want to write it like this, x whole square to understand this, but this remains same. X square plus y square bracket remains same. So this thing is again difference of 2 square, and then that can be written as 1 time minus and 1 time plus, right? And that bracket will same as it is because it has plus sign. Now it is no more further factorable. We have solved it up to end. So we have all simplified form of x power 4 minus y power 4, which is x square plus y square times x plus y times x minus y. So this is how we simplify this or factor this. Sometimes they say factor it, or sometimes they say simplify it, but you have to see that if you can make it difference of 2 square, please do so and make it like 1 time plus 1 time minus. So a whole square minus b whole square is equals to a plus b times a minus b. Let's see another question. So which is simpler than this one. So let's see what it does say. It says x square minus 5x square, or rather x cube minus 5x square, right? So this type of question just confuses, right, students, because they are thinking, oh wow, what we have to do, right? No formula is being applied, but we can see the initial knowledge of algebra tells us that if anything is common between the two quantities, you can take that common, right? So it's just a factor that what you can take common. Here x square, here x power 3. That means x power 2 can be common from both of the things. And when I take x square out, what is left here is x, right? X power 1, but we don't write 1, right? Minus x power 2 is common, so we take it out. What is left behind is, so this is my answer. Further I cannot go. I cannot do anything with this. So what we take, whatever is common, we take that out and factor it, right? So next question given in this EQA test is x square y square plus 9xy square plus 10y square. So again, we have to see what is common between these, right? So we can see that y square is here, y square is here, and y square is here. So I can take y square common. If I take y square common, what is left inside the bracket? So first term, my y square is gone out, so left over is x square, which is inside the bracket. Y square is again out, 9x is inside the bracket, which is left over, plus y square is out, 10 is left over. So I have this as my answer, right? So the next question, this was 4 and now 5. So now he's saying expand the following. Expand the following. So such questions starts from actually grade 8, then we do in 9, 10, and even in 11 grade, we have to make use of these factorization or simple expansion of the bracket. For example, the question is 2x minus 1 and 2x plus 1. So one way of doing it is that you expand, really expand. But one way of doing it is you can also apply the formula, because I am seeing that it is a minus b and a plus b. So I will do it both ways. So let's say that if I am doing a plus b, a minus b, so I can write it here that a square minus b square can be written as a minus b and a plus b. This is what we learned, right? And this is exactly same, 1 time minus 1 time plus. So that means my answer will be 2x whole square minus 1 whole square. And that shows me 4x square minus 1. Now we do the real multiplication or expansion, right? This is what we learned by the formula. So second method, by expansion. So we have to expand actually, because question is saying expand. So 2x minus 1 and 2x plus 1. So first term of the first bracket will multiply the second bracket first, and then the second term of the first bracket multiply the second bracket, real bracket. So now 2 times 2 is 4, x times x is x square. 4x square plus 2x times 1 remains same as 2x minus 2x because it is times 1, and plus minus minus is 1. So we can see that 2x and 2x cancels each other, and then we have left over is 4x square minus 1, which is same, right? So here we expand it, like we multiply the two brackets, and in the first case we did the application, like application of the same formula. So answer is same for both method, but we have to expand, so we choose to multiply it. Another question which is asked, and maybe the last question for this video. So question number 6, I have 2 times 1 plus 6x and 1 minus 6x, right? So 2 is like outside the bracket, so I will keep it like this, or maybe I can make medium bracket or larger bracket to see that what is this. So what is this is like a real multiplication. So 1 times 1 minus 6x and plus 6x times 1 minus 6x. So now we have to multiply. 2 remains outside the bracket. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times minus 6 is 6x. 6x times 1 is plus 6x, and plus minus minus 6 times 6 is 36, so we have 36x squared, right? And we have the bracket. Now I can see that minus 6x and plus 6x get cancelled, so 2 is outside the bracket, and what I have inside the bracket is 1 minus 36x squared. I can bring 2 now inside, so that can be solved as 2 minus 72 x square. So 2 times 36 is 72. So I did not change anything to the given question, and I arrived at a simplified version of 2 minus 72 x square. So hope you understand these small questions for EQA test, and if you have any question, you can always write me back by email or in your comment box. So subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon button to receive another video. Thumbs up. And thank you for watching.